Another day, another airdrop confirmed. What a brutal week. Oh my goodness. Terra Luna. I don't even know what to say. 0.01. Go spend some time with your loved one is the best non-financial advice that I can give you at those times. We are doing space fight. Gotta take a minute. Just an FYI. My name is Eve, also known as Finance After 40. If you already know me, feel free to join Patreon below to support this channel. It's hard to do videos. I'm also moving June 1st. That's why I haven't really done a lot of videos this past week, not because of the Terra Luna fiasco. So it's hard with packing and all that stuff. With that being said, we're gonna do SpaceFi. We're excited to launch Space Swap on EVMOS organization on the mainnet. So we're doing mainnet EVMOS live, and we're gonna get an airdrop. This is confirmed by this tweet. Okay. It doesn't say all the details, but let's go over that. Then we're gonna actually show all the details. So we are excited to launch Space Swap on EVMOS org mainnet with airdrop and whitelist for early liquidity provider and Space Swap before the farm launching. Farming, NFT, starters, space-based, stay tuned. Okay, spacers, let's begin the voyage on discovery. Basically, and now they say how you're gonna get the airdrop. Space Swap early incentive. Basically, do a little swap. We will airdrop to LP providers according to their liquidity in Space Swap. We'll also grant whitelist to those provide more liquidity. Due to liquidity on EVMOS, rewards are only for Rep EVMOS, MED, USDC, or Rep ETH, Rep EVMOS LP for now. Incentive program is recommended for spacers who already added or will add liquidity. We don't encourage you to do this as an airdrop task, which we will, rather than interest in EVMOS, which I am. SpaceFi, I don't know. It remains to be seen. Bridge fee and implement loss may be expensive. EVMOS ecosystem airdrop. Previously launched EVMOS Echo airdrop for EVMOS early adopter, including EVMOS stakers, bridge users. Okay. When is this live? Not yet. Give the airdrop to test. Okay. So basically, we're gonna go to this website, spacefy.io. We're gonna enter the website, which look on the mainnet. Okay. You're gonna join EVMOS. And please watch my other videos how to edit. But if you don't have EVMOS mainnet on metamask, just go to chainlist.org. Okay, chainlist.org, and basically send some connect your EVMOS testnet and mainnet. Basically, now you see I got 0.2 per 2 EVMOS after using the Fusion Fi, staking my my EVMOS that I got as an airdrop. And if you see here, I already done this airdrop. I'm just gonna show you a little bit, and you see here I got 20 bucks MAD USDC, which is basically a bridge. I've used this protocol, this bridge function, which I'm gonna show you as well. So let's get started for potential airdrop as well. Let's get started. I am recording. Let's see which pools. So I need to put money in Rep EVMOS and USDC, okay? Or Rep ETH, Rep EVMOS, which I've done. I'm gonna do both. Step one, it's hard. It's harsh out there. I don't know. Are you guys okay? Feel free to comment and tell me. I hope everyone are okay, because it's been brutal. And I don't think, hey, we're just gonna jump back to 40,000. It doesn't work like that. A lot of money got wiped out completely. A lot of big money, not $1,000 here and there. Big money got completely wiped out. And that means less volume, less money, less liquidity. It's not a fun process. I see Bitcoin going down. Not a financial advice. Click here. Let's do a little swap. So I have USDC 20 bucks. I got so you can swap EVMOS first of all to Rep EVMOS, and then EVMOS to Rep ETH. And if you don't have EVMOS at all from a past airdrop, just go to diffusion fi. Check my video from a week ago. They're gonna do 4 airdrops for diffusion stakers, EVMOS stakers. All the details are there. 1 airdrop already done, 3 more to go. But we're gonna basically put money in our USDC rep EVMOS. So I'm gonna take the USDC. I'm gonna show you actually what I've done, and I'm gonna change to rep EVMOS. Let's say, I don't know, $10, just so you can see. So I'm gonna put $20 in a pool, and I got the 10, which gives me 5 rep EVMOS. You're gonna confirm. That's fine. It takes yesterday when I've done it, it was a little slow. Okay, so step 1, just approve the USDC. Step 2 is basically confirm the swap. So we're sending 10 USDC to 5.4 rep EVMOS. Confirm the swap. Approve your metamask. Let's see how much the fees. The fees are in EVMOS, which is beautiful. 0.00019. Click confirm. Transaction submit. So that's just step 1 to do a swap. If it was me, I would do I don't know, at least 5 swaps. That's what people are starting to see in airdrop from projects. At 5 swaps, a little volume, all that stuff. I mean, I'm not gonna throw $1,000 in a bridge to rep EVMOS for a company that just I think it's a copy paste of Uniswap, but with a lot less features. But that's what I see with SpaceFi so far. But I'm here for the airdrop. We'll see how it goes. Okay, so this is done. It took about, I don't know, 2 minutes. I'll take it. So now I have USDC and I got rep EVMOS. Just so I know how much is EVMOS now. Wow, $1.80. It was $4 like a week ago when the airdrop started. Already more like 60% down, which, you know what, it's better than it's better than going down 99% every single day on Terra Luna. Anyway, now that this is done, go to pool, and you see this is my pool, rep ETH EVMOS. Pool ETH, it doesn't say rewards, but my share of the pool is 0.17%. My pool token is 0.03. I put, I don't know, like $5 or something. I'm getting 0.17% of the pool, which is crazy. You're gonna click add liquidity, and you're gonna change rep EVMOS. I'm gonna do the USDC coin. Okay, is this the MA USDC? I don't know. I don't know. MA USDC. I assume it's this one because here it says USDC. But in my metamask, which I'm gonna show you how I bridge, it basically says MAD USDC, and this is what we need, right? We need MAD. Let me just check MAD USDC, which is basically okay, right here. Rep EVMOS MAD USDC. Is this the one they have? MAD USDC. Yeah, MAD USDC. Okay, so I'm gonna basically put I don't know, $10 in this one, and it's gonna give me 5.4 rep EVMOS. I'm gonna click supply, and I'm gonna get 0.41% of the pool. That's crazy. For $20, I'm getting 0.41% of the pool. There's no reward. They didn't say how much, but look at the EVMOS fees. I mean, when the market will get back to reality, to bull again, which could be, I don't know, a year. It doesn't say tomorrow we'll go bouncing back to 40, 50, 60, 70,000, 69. It doesn't say that. It's just because we're at 28,000. I'm actually very surprised that we are at 28,000, to be honest. After this Luna fiasco, this is a crush. Like a lot of money got crushed, a lot of big money, and I assume if Bitcoin doesn't crash to like below 20, 21, something like that, around 20,000 in the next week or two, and stay strong around 28, that's pretty bullish sign. But you know, who knows So let's wait for this to be done. Rep EVMOS USDC. Okay, so this one also took like a minute and a half or something, and once this is done, you see here, it says green. Your position is right here, 10 here, 10 here, and basically you can just go back to pools, and it should show up that I have 2 pools right here, USDC EVMOS. You just click on it, and my pool share is 0.41%, which is crazy. They don't have rewards yet. You're not done. You're done maybe, but there's not a lot of options here. I want to show you bridge. This is what I've done. That's how I send the USDC. Okay, hi spacers, we're excited to launch space swap. Use the bridge for potential more airdrop potentials from this coin plus the bridge. Set the space swap on EVMOS mainnet, airdrop, and whitelist early liquidity provider. Farm NFT starter spaceboat. Stay tuned. Let's begin voyage for more. Okay, no more tips. Bridge. Here's some bridges to convert assets. Remember that those bridges are developed by the third party. Please study. Okay, so basically, in order, let's say you have some Ethereum, I used this one, but you can use all of them. Nomad. People send from Ethereum, and I've read some people on Twitter said that it took hours and failed, so I don't know. I'm not sending from my Ethereum address. Multi-chain is Binance Anychain also, but just from Ethereum. This one, seller, is from EVMOS. Okay, we don't need to send EVMOS. We already have EVMOS. You can send from Binance, Avalanche, or Phantom, but I actually used Connects with Polygon. I don't know if they have a coin or not. I know that seller has a coin. Noma don't have a coin, and this one do have a coin, but those two are just Ethereum, so those are done. This one is an option seller, and I just sent $20 USDC. It took an hour. Basically, you just click open, you connect your wallet. It's pretty straightforward. I would use the bridge just so we can get you see all this airdrop stuff. Link will be below, and also feel free if you are on Twitter. My username is right here, zivziv12 for free. I post about stuff. You see Hope Exchange. We're gonna get a lot more Hope Exchange, by the way. Your coins that you're getting from Hope Exchange just got a lot bigger. This is what I retweeted, because they said, hey, if you find some people that are like using like 1,000 wallets or something, we're gonna disclude them, and all the money will go to the airdrop people. This person, this is one wallet, and this is like 1,000 wallets connected, probably all disqualified, and their funds, their Hope airdrop will go to all of us. Again, my user is zivziv12 for free. I started Twitter like a month ago. Feel free, Patreon below for Whale Wallet watching that predicted this crash like 2 weeks ago. It's just insane what the whales know that we don't. Follow the whales on Patreon. OKX also, if you want to get wrecked with 125x leverage, but also get $500 bonus when you start with $50 deposit and up. That's all I got for you. Hopefully everything will get better. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.